Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI notices for summaries on the Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Samsung Notes. So we're gonna go here and type in Notes. Now we're gonna go over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this little button right here, and here what you guys can do is simply write or paste a long text. So I'm gonna paste it. I've got the random text right here, and what you guys want to do with it is simply click, sorry, not here, but you guys want to select the entire text. Click on this star right here. Let me quickly go back. Let me quickly paste it again. Here, we're gonna select the entire text, click on this star right here, and what we're gonna do is click Summarize. So, as you guys can see, now we can replace it, and this is what we've got. So we got a long text, now everything's summarized, and it will generate a quick bulleted breakdown. So, as you guys can see, trading success requires understanding market dynamics, developing strategies, and staying informed about financial instruments and risks. Of course, the patience and discipline are also crucial. So this is from the entire text that we have written right here. So if we don't want to read it, then we can simply summarize it with AI to make the process a bit faster. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.